The nervous system is your body's control center. It's a complex network of nerves and cells that carry messages throughout your body. Imagine it as a super-fast communication system, constantly sending and receiving signals. These signals control everything from your thoughts and movements to your heartbeat and breathing. Without your nervous system, your body wouldn't know what to do. The nervous system has two main parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is like a vast network of messengers carrying signals to and from the central nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain and spinal cord, which act as the central processing unit. They receive information from the peripheral nervous system, process it, and send out instructions. The central nervous system, or CNS, is the command center of your body. It's responsible for processing information, making decisions, and sending out orders to the rest of your body. The CNS consists of the brain and the spinal cord. These two organs work together seamlessly to control every aspect of your being. The brain is the boss, the ultimate decision maker. It receives information from the senses, interprets it, and sends out instructions. The spinal cord is like a superhighway, carrying messages between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord is a long, delicate tube of nervous tissue that runs from the brainstem down your back. It's protected by the bones of your spine, called vertebrae. The spinal cord is like a major highway, carrying messages between the brain and the body. These messages control everything from your movements to your senses. If you touch something hot, the spinal cord sends a message to your brain, which then sends a message back telling your hand to move away. Inside the spinal cord, you'll find gray matter and white matter. Gray matter, shaped like a butterfly, contains nerve cell bodies responsible for processing information. White matter surrounds the gray matter and contains nerve fibers that transmit signals up and down the spinal cord. The brain is the most complex organ in the human body. It's responsible for everything that makes you, your thoughts, memories, emotions, and personality. The brain is divided into several parts, each with its own specific functions. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for higher-level thinking, such as language, memory, and reasoning. The diencephalon sits beneath the cerebrum and acts as a relay station for sensory information. It also plays a role in regulating sleep, appetite, and body temperature. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls essential functions like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, is responsible for balance, coordination, and motor control. The brain and spinal cord are incredibly delicate and vital organs. They're protected by several layers of defense. The first layer is bone. The skull protects the brain and the vertebrae protect the spinal cord. The next layer is three membranes called meninges. These membranes provide a cushion for the brain and spinal cord. Cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, flows between the meninges, providing further cushioning and transporting nutrients. This fluid acts as a shock absorber, protecting the central nervous system from injury. The blood-brain barrier is another crucial layer of protection. This barrier prevents harmful substances from entering the brain through the bloodstream. Injuries or diseases affecting the central nervous system can have a significant impact on a person's life. Spinal cord injuries can disrupt communication between the brain and the body, leading to paralysis or loss of sensation. The severity of the injury depends on the location and extent of the damage to the spinal cord. Brain injuries, such as traumatic brain injury or TBI, can result from a blow to the head or a penetrating injury. The effects of TBI can range from mild concussions to severe cognitive impairments and personality changes. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's gradually damage the brain, leading to memory loss, movement disorders, and other debilitating symptoms. The central nervous system is the control center of your body. It's responsible for everything you do, think, and feel. Understanding how the central nervous system works is essential for maintaining good health and treating neurological disorders. Research continues to unlock the secrets of the brain and spinal cord, paving the way for new treatments and therapies. By learning more about the central nervous system, we can develop better ways to prevent, diagnose, and treat conditions that affect this vital system.